Tax season is here. For many, this means getting money back from the government. But before you start planning your spending, you need to file your taxes. The 2025 tax season officially began on January 27, 2025. You have until April 15, 2025 to submit your tax return. If you need more time, don't worry. You can request an extension until October 15, 2025. The time it takes to receive your refund depends on how you file. E-filing is the fastest way to get your refund. If you choose direct deposit, you could see your refund in as little as 8 to 15 days. Paper filing takes much longer. Expect to wait 6 to 8 weeks for your refund if you file by mail. This year, there may be some delays at the IRS. The agency is facing staffing challenges, which could impact processing times. Be patient and remember that these delays are often outside of your control. Remember, these are just estimates. The IRS will provide more specific information about your refund once you file. Once you've filed your taxes, you can easily track your refund status online. The IRS provides a free tool called Where's My Refund? This tool is available on the IRS website, irs.gov, and is updated daily. You can check it anytime, day or night. To use Where's My Refund, you'll need 3 pieces of information: your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number, your filing status, and the exact amount of your expected refund. Make sure this information matches what you put on your tax return. The Where's My Refund tool will give you updates on your refund's progress. You'll see when it's been received, approved, and sent to your bank account. It's the easiest and most convenient way to stay informed about your refund. While most refunds are processed without a hitch, some taxpayers experience delays. These delays can be frustrating, but understanding the common causes can help you avoid them. One reason for delay is simple errors on your tax return. Double-check your Social Security number, dependents information, and all calculations. The IRS may also flag returns that claim certain credits. The Earned Income Tax Credit and the Additional Child Tax Credit are designed to help low-income families, but they often undergo extra scrutiny. If your refund is delayed, don't panic. The IRS will contact you if they need more information. Respond promptly to any request to avoid further delays. You can also use the Where's My Refund tool to check for updates and explanations. Filing your taxes doesn't have to be stressful. Follow these tips to make the process smoother and potentially speed up your refund. File electronically. E-filing is faster and more accurate than paper filing. It reduces the risk of errors and gets your information to the IRS quickly. Choose direct deposit for your refund. This is the fastest way to receive your money. The IRS can deposit your refund directly into your bank account, often within a few days of approval. Before you file, gather all your necessary documents. This includes your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other relevant income or deduction information. Having everything organized will make the process much easier. Lastly, consider using free filing options if you're eligible. The IRS offers free file for taxpayers with an adjusted gross income of $84,000 or less.